Hello everyone, welcome back to Smart Learning. In this video, we are going to learn the complete design process of a pavilion, starting from a precedent study all the way to the final design and presentation. First, let's quickly understand what a precedent study is. A precedent study means analyzing an existing structure to understand its design principles, spatial qualities, and user experience, and then using those learnings to develop your own design. For this project, I studied a pati, which is basically a traditional sitting space in a public area. From this, I observed how people gather, move through the space. I took inspiration from rhythm and narrow space and used those ideas to develop my own pavilion design. Now let's move into the design process. The design started with a very basic idea. Step 1. I began with two simple vertical elements, establishing an initial framework. Step 2. I developed this into a rectangular form, creating a simple and symmetrical space. Step 3. Then, I modified the form by cutting the front corners and adjusting the entry and exit points to improve movement and accessibility. Step 4. After that, I introduced oblique elements to create a sense of direction, rhythm, and spatial compression. Step 5. Finally, I refined the design by developing the roof into inclined planes, which respond to the internal space and overall concept. Now, this was my first model, a simple rectangular pavilion, so I started refining the design in this process. The front corners are cut to create a more dynamic entrance, while the exits are shifted to the sides to improve circulation. Oblique structural elements are introduced to generate directional movement and a sense of spatial compression. Moreover, to create a multi-directional spatial experience, the pavilion remains open at the front, inviting entry, while the back is enclosed to act as a buffer from the external environment. The punctures in the rear wall allow light and air to pass through, maintaining ventilation and visual connections. I experimented with a curved roof, but it didn't align with the linear and directional concept. So, I redesigned the roof using inclined planes to better match the spatial experience. And this is how the design evolved into a more dynamic and engaging pavilion. This is my site plan, section, elevation. These are the rendered images. So, this was the complete journey of my pavilion design, from concept to final outcome. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Learning.